Okay, y'all, here is the deals that I did at Walgreens. Major deal alert. I'm going to try to get this video out to y'all before Sunday so y'all can hit up Walgreens and do these deals. I'll grab a couple of these items if you choose to. But starting off, we have the Tide with Downy, the Downy fabric softener, the Downy Con beads, and the Bounce dryer sheets. They were all $4.99, totaling $19.96. We had $4 come off. That means each one of these items had a dollar coupon attaching, making them $15.96. You're going to pay that, get back $5 register rewards, making all four of these $10.96 or $2.74. And y'all, by the way, I have not did any deals at Walgreens here lately. I've been buying stuff here and there because they've been having laundry detergent on clearance, and I've been looking for certain stuff at Walgreens. But as far as putting together a deal, I have not done. And with this deal, basically I had a coupon, which is this coupon, where you earn $10 Walgreens cash when you spend 45 in store. So what that means is you get $45 or more worth of items, and they will put $10 in your account that you can spend on anything in Walgreens. So let's get on with these transactions. Then I picked up three olive olays. They were $8. Three of them is $24. We have a $5 digital coming off, making these $19. Pay that, get a $5 register reward back. Plus, I scanned my receipt on Fetch and got back $4.75 for these olive Olay. So, certain P&G products you can get cash back on Fetch for. So if you don't have Fetch, looking to get Fetch, here's my code. If you use my code, you will get extra money back when you scan your first receipt, and I will get money back as well. So y'all get Fetch, it pays off. You scan your receipts on there, you get gift cards, and you can use them for all sorts of things or gift them to people, whatever the case may be. Now, last two items I picked up were the men's degree. They were $5 each. Two of them is $10. We have a $2 coupon coming off, making these $8. Pay that, get a $2 register reward back, making these $6 or $3 each. It doesn't take much to spend 45 or more at Walgreens, y'all. So I got these items. Plus, I was wondering, why didn't they make a women's degree a body wash? Why did they just make the men's body wash? But anyway, so got these products, y'all. The price was $42.96. Paid that, got back $12 in register reward. So I got back 5 for the laundry, 5 for the body wash, and 2 for the men's body wash. Then I got my $10.53 back Walgreens cash, which I call WAGs. So if I say WAGs, that means Walgreens cash, y'all. So the final price for these items was $20.43, y'all, making each item $2.27 each. Not bad at all. Round of applause for this first transaction, y'all. And like I said, I just threw this transaction together. Didn't know this week's deals, nothing. And I did one more transaction because y'all know I had to spend my register rewards and my Walgreens cash. So let's get into this second transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction at Walgreens. We gonna start off with the 6 equals 9 regular rolls of towel paper. They got new packaging and it looks quite lovely if you ask me. But they are on sale this week for $3.99. So I snatched up 3 of them, totaling $11.97. This 74 load Tide Simply was on clearance for $8.99. No coupons. Then this Tide Free and Gentle, and it's the 64 loads. It was $9.79. We had $3 coming off, making it $6.79. The Carefree Ultra Thin Pads, and it's the 28 count, was on clearance for $2.49. Then this 1.5 liter of Listerine was $8. I had a $3 digital coming off, and I don't know if that's a only for me coupon. I gotta look, but I am gonna insert it right here. And it made this $5. Then on the 500 ml, it was $7. We have a dollar off, making it 6. And if you spend $20 on Listerine or Kenvue products, you will get back a $10 register reward. But I didn't feel like finding out what are Kenvue products, doing this, doing that. So I just picked up 2, used my coupons, then scanned my receipt on Fetch and got back $1.15. So both of these after coupons was $11. With that $1.15 off, made these $9.85 or $4.92 each. That is definitely not bad for some Listerine, y'all. This stuff is so expensive. I hate buying Listerine, y'all. It is just so high. But with these coupons, I went on and snatched it up. Sure did. Then last item on the second transaction was this Clean Freak. It was $4.99. We have a dollar off, making it $3.99. So after coupons, and I used $12 in register rewards, what I got back from the first transaction, and that $10, it made this $33.25 after out of pocket. So that's what I paid for all of these. And don't forget, I got 3 things of towel paper. I just didn't put everything up here. But y'all, that is the major deal alert that I wanted to share with y'all, because for one, be on the lookout at y'all Walgreens for clearance items, especially clearance items that has coupons attaching to them, and stuff that has register rewards as well. So just be on the lookout. Then with this $3.99 towel paper, you cannot beat it. I didn't see the $5, because normally this is 5 and they have the 9-roll toilet paper as well, but I didn't see the toilet paper as well. So I will be hitting up another Walgreens tomorrow to see if they got the toilet paper for $3.99 as well, because I'm going to snatch up 3 more towel papers and probably 3 more toilet papers. But yeah, y'all, Walgreens has been having laundry on clearance, and now is your chance to grab some of this stuff up. And I don't see it dropping in price. I tried to wait around and see if it'll drop a little more, but it hasn't even been dropping. So whenever I see it, I grab up 1 or 2, because that always helps when you are building a stockpile. But y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. And to all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? And don't forget to turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping. I don't know if I just said that, y'all, what, but I'm sleepy. Gotta go. See y'all in the next video. I am out, y'all. Peace.